welcome to NBC6.
Yes, thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be crafting on NBC6.
I am so excited that you are here. So Amber, you are originally from California, and that's okay. We love California.
I'm a transplant.
But now you've been living in South Florida for about 10 years.
Exactly. Yeah,
and you're loving it.
I love it here, and so I have made this my home. My husband is an attorney here, so we're probably here for good. And yeah, I've kind of built my business. And what the great thing is that South Florida doesn't have like a ton of DIY and crafting people, so I really kind of like. I'm making it my mission to turn South Florida into a craftier place.
You know, so people spend a lot of time playing video games, on the internet, on YouTube. Let's go back to the basics. Let's get dirty and let's have some fun.
Yes.
Let's get crafty, right?
Yes.
That's why we have you here to show us a couple things. So let's talk about this.
So one of the things I wanted to make is a little nod to the show. On each episode, during each challenge, the winner of the challenge receives a patch. This is like, it's cute. It's like a little like crafty camp type of thing. So each winner receives a patch. So I decided, why don't I figure out a way to make my own crafty merit badged patches.
That is something so cute to do with your kids, too.
That you can do with your kids. I mean,
or with your husband, like you got a badge, you behave.
Exactly, you got
not in the doghouse.
Congrats. So I actually went ahead and designed a series of these, which you will be able to find on Damask Love on my blog later this week. We will have the free printable there for you, so you can just cut these out. So we have one that says Glue Gun Slinger, Crafty is the new cool. Makers do it better.
Love it.
I'm the knit. I don't know if you've noticed. I'm the knit. I don't know if you've noticed, but on the promos for making it, Amy and Nick have been doing a ton of crafty puns.
Those puns are so good.
Exactly. So I was like, we gotta get the puns. I love a good pun, so I'm the knit is my little nod to Amy and Nick's puns. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of those free printable perfect or little circles, and these are wooden circles that you can get pre-cut. You can get them in any craft store. I got these at Joann, and I'm gonna take a glue stick. I know you have one of these in your house already, and I'm just gonna. You do. You have a glue stick. We'll get you one.
Get one.
There you go. Now you have a glue stick. Now you have nothing to complain about. All right. Now we're gonna glue that on there like that. And here, you stick yours. Which one do you like?
I got
I'm the knit. Which one do you like?
I'll do this one.
I like that one. Crafty is the new cool.
Crafty is the new cool.
Okay. Now that we've got it on the, see, look. And the thing about glue sticks is you can kind of maneuver it around until it's perfectly placed. Now we're gonna take it and flip it over, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around the edge. I won't make you do this if you're afraid, but really—
Let's do it, because my mom never let me do it, so.
Here you go. And this is a cool glue gun. It's cordless, so
I'm an adult now, mama.
You can do it, you can do it. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of ribbon while it's still hot and put it around the edge. There you go.
Enough glue?
You might want to get a little closer to the edge.
See?
It's
I just failed my first challenge.
No way. You're gonna do it around the edge, and I'll help you out. Let's see. We'll grab some yellow ribbon for you. Oops.
Okay.
Perfect. There you go.
Okay.
And now we will put this ribbon.
Don't burn yours.
No. It's a low temp glue gun. I'm not gonna burn myself. Also, I've used glue guns for so long.
Many times.
I think I don't have nerve endings in my fingers anymore.
I put glue on the entire.
So we put our, now look how that's coming together. How cute is that? So we put the little ribbon around the edge. I'm gonna finish mine up.
Look at this. And then what you're wearing on your head, which I absolutely love.
Yeah, my flower crown.
Just steal your little flower crown. How long did it take you to do that?
The flower crowns I did earlier on the show, and you can put it together in a couple of minutes.
And you have that as well on your Instagram.
Yes, you can go to my Instagram, and I have a little thing called a swipe tutorial, which just you swipe through all the steps on how to make a project, and it's right there on my Instagram. You can go and find it and make your own. It's really, really easy to do.
And all you need
is some ribbon, some felt flowers, and a piece of felt.
And you bought all this at Joann.
I got all of that at Joann.
Cool.
So we have like the beginnings of our little badge right here, and the only thing we're gonna do now is take a piece of ribbon that's just like that, and fold it in half a little bit. Place it behind there. You can glue it down. Let's see, is that glue still?
Yep, I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. It's holding in place, so you just do that. And I'm gonna do it with this one. Glue it in place. And then all you have to do is put like a little pin on the back. And look at that.
Ta-da, you know.
I'm the knit.
Arts and crafts, it's so underrated. Maybe because it's intimidating also.
I want people to get excited about it to the point where even if you're intimidated, you want to try it.
You want to do it.
It's so much fun.
And the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Like next
100%.
time I do this, I won't put glue all over the back.
Exactly. You learn every single time. Every mistake is just a lesson.
And what is the thing you take out of the show? Like, what was the best part of it?
I would say, I've been saying this since the beginning. I really think when you watch this show, if you go into it wanting to know who won, who's the winner, you're gonna miss the entire journey that every one of us takes. Because every one of us kind of grows as a maker and a business person, as an artist. And so the winning is great. Like, don't get me wrong, we all want to win, but everything we learn along the way is what's gonna make people fall in love with it.
And she's gonna tell us now if she wins, right? Are you gonna tell us?
Yes, right now.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
It's going to be a complete surprise.
Oh my gosh!
She got excited for
that
my
was good. It's gonna be a complete surprise. I'm stealing that. And if anyone asks, I never heard you say that.